Michelle, simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube, and you know she got a vibe for me, she got a vibe for you.
Welcome back, y'all. So today I'm going to be trying some clip-ins on my short curly hair. I partnered up with Curlsqueen and they sent your girl over a nice box of some goodies. Inside includes a cute Tangle Teaser brush, a super silky satin bonnet, some extra clips, and of course the star of the show, some bundles. These are 16-inch water jerry curly clip-ins, high-grade Brazilian human hair. Yes, ma'am. It's given authentic. It's given real strength. It's given who gonna check you. These are also in the texture 3C4A. So before installation, I'm gonna wash and condition and thoroughly rinse the clips in for best results to really make those curls go pop. Today I want to switch it up, be somebody different. I just want to add a little bit more length. It was the perfect day because Curlsqueen sent me over their 16-inch water jerry curly clip-ins in the texture 3C4A, which is perfect for my hair texture. I've tried these before in the past and it's just the perfect time right now because again, I cut my hair, I really enjoy it, but I do miss the length. So we're gonna install these today. I'm gonna do a wash and go and I'll show you how to do it if you're interested in trying your own. If you've cut your hair, you want something different, you want a different look, you just want to switch up, add some more spice to your personality, then you definitely want to try these because they come in all different textures, lengths, even in locks, micro lengths. So come on, y'all. So before installation, you want to make sure that your hair is nice and clean and also detangled to make the process easier. I'm going to start off in the back. This is going to be very easy for me because my hair is short. Normally, if I had length, I would have braided my hair down, but I don't find it necessary because the clip-ins are going to cover my hair. So I took about that amount of hair and we are going to start installation. Super easy. You do not need to be a professional at this. Baby, I don't do any installations, but clip-ins anybody can do. As you can see, it's super easy. You just clip them back and then you place it to where you want it to go and you push it down. Now it comes with different sizes depending on the size of your head. I have a little baby apple peanut head, so I did not need to use all of the clips, but you want to start from each corner, like line it up with your ears, and then you just push down, push down, push down. These babies are so secure, they're not moving nowhere. I don't care if you was about to get into a brawl or a fight, baby, them clip-ins is in. So what I like to do is just go in with some water and then I'm going to use the gel of my choice. You can use whatever you want. This gel is A1. You don't need a leave-in, hence why you only see me using gel. And we're just going to camouflage and we're just going to rake it through until we blend the natural hair with the clip-ins. As you can see, the color is on point, 1B black. As you can see, the curl pattern texture is just blending in so beautifully. And that's what I love about Curlsqueen because it always matches my texture. So I'm just going to work in small sections and repeat the same step. You want to wet your hair, hydrate it. You want to add your moisture. You want to detangle if necessary. And then you just place and snap. One thing that I really like about the clip-ins is how thick and full they are. Like I said, it comes with a 10-piece, double wefted and double dawn, but it just blends with your hair so nice. Not only do they have 16-inch, they have all different lengths. They also have clip-ins for locks. They also have micro lengths. So there's clip-ins for everybody. And baby, it's going to give that quick, easy hairstyle on the days where you just don't feel like dealing with your hair was a fail, or you're in the same boat like me where you just did a haircut and you regret it. 1, 2, 3 and your inches is right back. I love it. My hair loves it. It just gives that natural look, and I can appreciate that because I've always was wary about wearing like, you know, fake hair because it didn't look authentic or real. But when you wear Curlsqueen clip-ins, Nobody's ever going to be able to tell. It looks just like your natural hair. I love how easy the installation is, and I also love how easy it is to uninstall it. So have such a great, comfortable feeling, so it's not like it's too tight or you'll get a headache. It just fits perfectly to however you want to place it. And it's true to length, and that's what I like. You have the ability to, you know, play around with how you want it and where you want to place the clip-ins. It definitely gives, I just left the hair salon, professionally done. No, we did this at home, boo, in under 30 minutes, okay? I love how bouncy it is. It's not stiff. It feels soft like human hair. It doesn't have a funny smell. As you can see, the edges really make the style pop. And they have styles and textures for everyone. Clip-in textures from yaki to coarse and curl patterns 2C to 4C, all designed to blend with your natural hair for instant length and volume. This is something that you need to get your hands on, because I'm telling you, on those days when your hair just gives you a problem, or you don't have the strength or the energy, or you have a quick call for a date or event or a trip, this is something that's going to get you right and make you look so pretty and so sophisticated and so cute every single time. I love the way it just blends in and looks so natural. It's bouncy. It's not stiff. It has a nice shine. It just makes me feel so confident when my hair is done. And I love how full it is, because like I said, I cut my hair, so I miss feeling hair on my neck. And just to have that just makes me feel so much more beautiful and confident. If you're interested, I got you on a coupon code. You already know. It's going to be linked in the description. If you guys enjoy, give it a thumbs up. Thank you, Curlsqueen, once again. And I will see you guys in another video.
Simply Michelle.